Alright guys, before we get started, I'd like to thank those of you who have hit the like button and also those of you who have commented on every video that they've watched, because it's so important for our engagement and for actually getting the word out, and it brings this content to new people. And if you're new and you haven't already, make sure to do it. Click on the little red subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and join the League of Madcatt Artists. Let's get great together day by day. Let's start drawing. Hello everybody and welcome to another Madcatt Art Series tutorial. In today's tutorial we're going to break down the arm. This is going to be part 1 of 2. So let's jump right into this tutorial. The first thing I'm going to show you is how to start the basic construction of an arm, which starts with a circle for the shoulder. The next thing that I do is I draw a guideline for the rest of the arm, whether it's going to be bent or straight. I draw a line to indicate where it's going. For the second part of the arm, I draw a circle for the elbow. Next, I'm going to draw a cylinder that connects the shoulder to the elbow. Following that, I'm going to draw another cylinder, a little smaller and a little skinnier. This will be for the forearm. And lastly, for this demonstration, I'm going to draw an oval shape at the end of this cylinder to indicate the wrist. So traditionally from here you would start drawing the muscle structure of the arm and start finishing off the arm itself. But in today's lesson we're going to learn about the bones that make up the arm to help us when drawing muscle and structure. So here we're going to draw the longest part of the arm, which is the upper bone called the humerus. The round knob portion facing the shoulder forms the head of this bone, which joins the shoulder blade. As we continue drawing the length of this bone to the lower flat end, which attaches to the ulna and the radius bone. This bone structure is very important when drawing an arm. The reason for it is when you turn your arm a certain way, your bones cross, and doing that makes your muscles flex in such a way. Without knowledge of the construction of an arm, you'll always have trouble drawing them and come up short. So my advice is study the anatomy, study the bone structures. This is going to make you better. Now guys, I don't want to bore you guys with the details of such a dry subject, but this part is necessary. And again, this is only if you want to take your art to a whole nother level. If you want to be able to draw somebody from any point of view, from worm's eye view, bird's eye view, I mean, whatever your mind can conceive, you're going to need this kind of knowledge in order to do that. So lastly, I just wanted to show you guys what the arm looks like when the hand rotates. If you had X-ray vision like Superman, this is what your arm would look like in mid-rotation. These kind of studies will help you when drawing your figures, arms, muscles, and other bits of the anatomy. This isn't a full class on this. This is simply a primer for things that I do to help me better my artwork and things that I felt that I should share with you that I think would help you guys as well. And that goes for human anatomy or animal anatomy. Even if you're drawing mythological creatures, to draw a skeletal construction of it will really help you understand why and how things work. Well, that's going to wrap up this episode of Madcatt Art Series tutorial, Anatomy of the Arm Part 1. In Part 2 of the anatomy of an arm, we will be going over the muscle structure of this arm, and also as you rotate the hand, how the muscle reacts. If you like content like this, please hit the subscribe button. Please leave a comment on things you'd like to see, and until then, thank you and keep drawing.